Hi everyone, this is the preview of my project. Let's have fun. So, I'm using this Versamark, and this is my watercolor book. So, I'm going to first stamp this on the background. So, now I'm going to put this clear, no, I'm going to put this white embossing powder, not clear. So, I'm going to put that, and then I'm going to heat that. So now I'm going to heat it and melt it. Now I'm using this distress oxide and the other spray, which is called Tattered Angels. I don't know where I got it, but it's been a long time, so I'm going to be using those two. And the distress oxide is the Mermaid Lagoon. And then I'm spraying some water on that. So this spray I could not spray it, so I'm using the tip of the spray thing, and then I'm going to, doesn't work properly because it's too old and I should have used long back, but I'm using it now. So I'm spraying some water in between so it can get blended. So I'm spraying some more water and spread it out. I'm mixing this distress oxide also in this. Now I'm going to heat it and dry everything. Now I'm using some white uh, gesso and I'm just blending it. This is optional. If you want to do it, you can do it. Now I'm going to dry it. Then I'm going to use the blue color paint and splatter on that. Then I'm using some dark blue acrylic ink and splattering it on the top. Then I'm going to dry it. So now I'm going to stamp. I'm using this blueprint sketch distress oxide. This is like a circular stamp, mini circle stamp. Now I'm adding all the elements in this. I had to put some extra glue in that and then add the other elements on the top. Then I'm adding this bicycle, then other elements behind it. Now I'm going to adhere this bicycle. And I'm adding these leaves so it gives some different color. Now for the center, the stamp, I did not like it that much. So I'm going to see what I can do to change it. So I'm using this darker paint and try to do something. Then I'm going to dry it and see how it looks, and I can change it if I want to. So I'm putting this dye. So it became too dark, so I still want to change it. So now I'm going to add the coat. Then I'm going to see what I can do for the other stuff, and before that I'm putting all the other elements, that is these butterflies. So I'm still thinking what I have to, how I have to change it. So I used this white pen and I started highlighting it, and I got the idea of um, scribbling or marking it. That way it will look nice even with the darker background. So now it looks much better than before. So this finishes my project. I hope you enjoyed watching it and got inspired. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button, and leave your comments below. I will see you in my next project with the new ideas. Thanks for watching. Bye.